I just installed this line cover. I'm getting too old for this, but this is a 2-piece line cover. It's a 1/2-inch hem on the inside here, so it keeps it pretty straight going up. And I had to etch the wall because the wall's bowed, so that's what you see right there. It's close. Once it's painted, it'll look perfect. But and I'm gonna add on to this here. This condenser is gonna be changed out. But it'll blend in. And the top one's a little bit wider, just a little bit, so I can slip the bottom one in. So. But that's the 2-piece line cover.